Job loss in New York City can feel like a punch to the gut, but navigating unemployment doesn't have to be another battle. Let's jump straight into how to file for unemployment benefits in NYC. Ensuring you get the assistance you need first. Let's clarify who's eligible generally. You're eligible if you've lost your job through no fault of your own, you've worked and earned enough wages during the base period, and you're ready, willing, and able to work. Before you start, gather these essential documents: your social security number, driver's license, or other state-issued ID, your complete employment history for the past 18 months, including names, addresses, and phone numbers of all employers, and your bank account information for direct deposit now. Head to the New York State Department of Labor website. You can find it by searching NYC Department of Labor Unemployment on Google. Click on the File a Claim button. The application will guide you through several sections. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your work history. Answer all questions honestly and accurately. Double-check everything before submitting, as errors can delay your claim once submitted. You'll receive a confirmation number. Keep this safe. After filing, you'll need to certify for benefits each week, confirming that you're still unemployed and actively seeking work. You can usually do this online or by phone. Payments are typically made via direct deposit a few weeks after your claim is approved. If you have any issues or questions, contact the NYC Department of Labor directly for assistance. Remember, you're not alone, and these benefits are here to help you get back on your feet.